Alright guys, welcome to part 2 of that first project that we were doing, and now we're going to be drawing this T. So it may look complicated, but it is very easy to draw this T. And the way we're going to start off with our front plane, and what we're just going to draw one circle and then convert into 3D. So let's just do that first. So I'm gonna come here in the welcome window, click on part, go under sketch, I'm gonna draw on front plane, and I'm gonna draw a circle. And once I draw a circle, I'm gonna go ahead and smart dimension it by 10. So diameter is 10, which is perfect, and the height is 50. Okay, so one circle is enough, so I'm gonna get out of smart sketch, come here under features, click on the exclude boss / base, and I'm gonna under direction 1 I'm gonna pick from blind to mid plane right here and put this at 50. So you see it's in the middle, it goes 25 this way, 25 this way. Make sure you guys pick mid plane and 50. Once you do that, you're gonna hit the green check mark and you'll be ready with your first thing. And now what we have to do, we have to draw a second one that goes from here up and down, right? So if we bring our mouse over to right plane or top plane, it really doesn't matter which one we pick. So pick either or. I'm just gonna work with the top plane. Click on the top plane, hit normal 2 button right here, and go under sketch and click on sketch, and now I'm going to draw a circle again from the origin and go outward. There you go. The diameter is also 10, which is perfectly fine. And now I'm ready to convert this into 3D and I'll be done with my part. So you see how it's in the center? The reason why it's in the center because I picked the top plane. Which is in the center of that. And now I'm going to click here under features, exclude boss / base. So you see if I had blind, it would go in one direction like 50, but if I had it on mid plane like this, it would go in both direction and it would be on perfect. So I have drawn my T here. So guys, thank you for watching. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up.